She thinks that he is a common man. And Jesus touched her life. Yes, you have 5 husbands. They are not married, they are keeping you. They left. Now one man is there. He is also not your husband. You correct, you are right. Then she was broken. See, I tried and tried and tried for man. Nobody satisfied me. My life is miserable. I thirst for waters. But this man, one time he speaks about my eternal life was changed. She keep the pot there and she ran away to the village. And she said, come out, come. I saw one man there. He explained all my life. Whatever I did, he explained. I know that he may be Messiah. Come see. People came and amazed. Jesus speaks more about that. Hallelujah. Past his life, our life was living with 5 men not satisfied. But Jesus came to our life as a living water. Satisfied our thirst. Changed and ran for God and bring many people to God. Hallelujah. 3 life. Yes? Another man, Zacchaeus. He is having 3 parts in his life. Yes? How Zacchaeus was before? Zacchaeus, you know, short guy. How he lives. He collecting bad money from everyone.
Tax collector.
He is tax collector. From his own people he collecting money and giving to the other government, Roman government. He is a Jew. Working for Romans. Romans tell him collect 1 rupee for crossing the road. Other side market. People want to go to the market. Without paying 1 rupee, they can't go to the market. He asked 1 rupee. He asked people 2 rupees. Give people want to get food. Sometimes he will ask 3 rupees. Give 3 rupees. He gave to 1 rupee to the government, putting 2 rupees in his pocket. Daily thousands of rupees he is taking. People are cursing him. He cheated one people. He became wealthy, but not peace at all. People are cursing him. See, he is a bad man. He will not be good. He will die one day. He beating in our stomach. Taking all our money. Okay. Then he want to see Jesus. He ran away up in the tree. And Jesus saw him. Zacchaeus, come down. I want to go dwell in your home. People are thinking, what he is getting down and taking Jesus to his home. People are telling how bad he is. See, he is going to sinner. But Jesus went to his house. While Jesus was in his house, Zacchaeus was broken. And he said to Lord, I taken more money from people. I don't want that money. You are enough to me. When I get to the people for 1 rupee, I will give it 4 times back. If you buy 100 rupees, I will give back 400. That is the repentance. Jesus said, today you have this house salvation. You are the son of Abraham. And he went and gave the money to everyone. Come. Sagi, what happened? You are lustful man. You are always tracking money. You don't want money? No. Jesus is my life. Jesus is everything. Take the money. I want to live a good life. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
3 parts in past life. Very bad. And we see this life was changed by Jesus. Jesus walked with him. And Jesus changed his life. He gave to everyone. What about Paul? Paul was persecuted churches. And he was very bad to the Christians. And beating people. Throwing them out. Destroying churches. Everything Paul was scattered Christianity. Churches heard about Jesus, Paul. He was very cruel man. The fear of Paul was everywhere spreaded. But one day, he wanted to persecute another place. Damascus, he wanted to go and persecute that church. He was riding in the horse. Immediately Jesus came with the powerful like a sun. He fell down and he asked, who are you? I am Jesus. What you want to do me? Get up, go to the town, proclaim about me. We know that Paul writing many letters. He became apostle. Blessed to many people. 3 lives in his life. Past life, how he accept Jesus, how he live for God. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord.
Did you understand?